Okay, anyways, people from YouTube, this is part 3, so let's begin now. Anyways, let's begin now. Anyways, let's begin with this with the horse tour. Well, we have, what is her name? I thought you said it was Hagrid. Okay, fine. Your name is Hagrid. Okay. Here he is out of the box. You probably saw it in the other thing. Hagrid being out of the box. Anyways, let's go with the next thing. This horse is the next thing to look at. With this horse, too. Hello. Once again, we're back. Anyways, let's begin, shall we? Let's take a closer look at her. Let's see. She's probably a female horse. We can't use that name. We need a pretty name for a pretty horse. I think so, Seabiscuit. Let's call her, Snow White. Yeah, what do you think? Kinda goes good with the theme. Alright, the horse's name is Snow White. Snow White, do you want to get out of this box? Sure. Then let's get you out. Oh, stupid.